Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about MAREK'S disease. These are diseases we found in our poultry farm. In my previous video, I talk about types of diseases. So in today's video, I'm talking about MAREK'S disease. This MAREK'S disease is a highly contagious, spreadable viral disease of poultry, especially chickens. MAREK'S disease is known to cause tumors, which can lead to paralysis, among other clinical signs, and death. While there is no treatment, vaccination represents an excellent example of disease control. Why MAREK'S disease is typically considered a disease of young chickens. Clinical signs typically appear between 6 to 30 weeks of age. Older chickens are also susceptible. Unfortunately, the only way to diagnose MAREK'S disease is via a necropsy by a veterinarian. So that is the duty of the veterinary doctors to conduct or to examine the cause of the death in your poultry farm. That being said, if you have a young bird, vaccinated or not, that has paralysis, it is likely due to MAREK'S. While there is no treatment, there are ways to prevent MAREK'S disease in your poultry farm. Number one is to remove all feathers, danders when introducing new chicks or birds to your pen. You have to remove everything. Make sure that your pen is very clean, because the feather follicles are known to carry the virus. Removing the feathers, dander, that is dead skin, is a great way to reduce the amount of virus in the environment and hence reduce the overall amount of virus your chicken might be exposed to. This is typically done in your pen before moving any chicks from your brooder to the pen. So you have to clean your pen very well before taking them. Vaccinated birds or not vaccinated birds, this is very important. Whether you vaccinate your birds or not, it is very important to make sure that the pen is very clean. That where you are going to transfer them from brooding stage to another, you make sure that all the old things, you make sure that is very clean. You wash your feeder, you and your drinkers, wash the clothes you are using to take care of them. Another one is follow an effective vaccination program. Vaccines must be administered on the day the chicks hatched. If given correctly, the vaccine is highly effective at protecting your chickens against disease. Make sure the feed store or hatchery you purchase your chicks from vaccinate at day of age. If you know how to vaccinate, like some farmers, because of those feed store, some of them cannot be truthful. So instead of you ask, maybe you ask them, they will say yes, we vaccinated it. If you are not sure and you know how to vaccinate your birds, it's better you do it. You can purchase the vaccine at the feed store and vaccinate your birds so that your birds will be in a safer side, because this paralysis has no remedy. So you have to prevent it. You have to stop it not to occur in your birds. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just tap the subscription button so that you will be notified when new video is uploaded. Thank you so much. Bye.